In a world that often feels chaotic and overwhelming, the power of words can be a beacon of hope and healing. Every day we are bombarded with messages that can either uplift us or drag us down. But what if we chose to surround ourselves with words that inspire, empower, and heal? Words have the incredible ability to shape our thoughts, feelings, and ultimately our reality. When we speak positively to ourselves and others, we create an environment where healing can flourish. Start your day with affirmations that resonate with your soul. I am enough. I am worthy. I am capable. These simple phrases can transform your mindset and set the tone for a productive day. Remember, healing is not always about grand gestures. Sometimes, it's the small, consistent actions that make the biggest difference. Take a moment to reflect on the language you use in your daily life. Are your words filled with compassion and kindness, or do they lean towards negativity and self-doubt? Make a conscious effort to choose words that nurture your spirit. When faced with challenges, instead of saying, I can't do this, try saying, I will find a way to overcome this. This shift in perspective can open doors to new possibilities and solutions. Surround yourself with people who uplift you, who speak words of encouragement and support. Engage in conversations that inspire creativity and foster growth. Remember, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely, and let their words be a source of healing in your life. Practice gratitude daily, and express it through words. When you acknowledge the good in your life, you create a positive feedback loop that promotes healing. Say thank you for the little things, the warm cup of coffee, the smile from a stranger, the beauty of nature. These words of appreciation can shift your focus from what's wrong to what's right. Don't underestimate the power of a kind word. A simple compliment or a thoughtful message can make someone's day and foster healing in ways you cannot imagine. Be generous with your words. They are a gift you can give freely. And remember, the most powerful words are often the ones we say to ourselves. Treat yourself with the same kindness and compassion you would offer a friend. When you stumble, remind yourself, it's okay to make mistakes. I am learning and growing. Embrace your imperfections and celebrate your journey. You are a work in progress, and that is something to be proud of. As you navigate your daily life, let healing be your intention. Seek out words that empower you and let go of those that hold you back. Visualize the person you want to become and speak that vision into existence. Your words have the power to create the life you desire. With every sentence you speak, you are crafting your reality. So choose your words wisely, and let them heal you each day. And as you heal, remember to share that healing with others. Be a vessel of positivity and kindness, and watch how it ripples out into the world. In the end, it's the words we choose that define our experience. Let them be words that heal, uplift, and inspire every single day.